What's up, coupon cousin? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back. What? You're welcome once. Hey, you're welcome twice. What? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So y'all, we are in Target this week, okay? We're gonna mix and match with digital and a few paper deals this week in Target. I got a couple good things that's going on, okay, y'all? So do me a couple, 2, 3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Oh, y'all, my hair standing up below. Let's get into this video. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we are over here at the skincare products. So this is the promotion that is going on at Target this week. It does end on the 7th. You buy 3 of the items that are priced $3.99 and up, and you get a $5 gift card back. So we're gonna get the simple products because we have insert coupons to pair along with these. It's these right here. $2 off of one, and as you can see, no size restriction except for the trial size items. So you can actually mix and match on any of these products that you want, and I'll show y'all that the promotion is for all of them. And we also have a 10% cartwheel that we're going to pair along with this purchase. So for me, I'm actually going to pick up the wipes that are priced at $4.59. I'm going to pick up 3 of those, but like I said, if you want to mix and match, you can always mix and match on these products because the promotion is for all of them. And you can also use this insert coupon as well, and the cartwheel. Okay, y'all, so I was getting ready to leave the aisle, right? And I stopped and I remember that we have a coupon for these right here. So I looked at the small ones, the ones right here, y'all, that are priced at $4.99 and $4.49. Scan them on the Target app, and y'all, they are a part of the promotion. And y'all, this is gonna be really, really good if y'all have this insert coupon. Is this one right here. Let me show it to y'all. It's $3 off of any one product, y'all, and it does not have a size restriction except for the trial size, of course. And so this is not a trial size. These are actually like 3 and 4 ounces, the green one and the blue one. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pick up one of these and probably 2 of those, or just mix and match on them, and get that $5 gift card back on those, and also use 3 of my insert coupons to pair along with it. So if you like this product, this is a sweet, easy, and simple deal, and y'all, the out of pocket is going to be very, very low. Now this coupon, it does expire on the 7th. I think this coupon came out a few weeks ago, but I don't remember, but you can always go over to coupontom.com and see exactly when this particular coupon came out. All right. Okay, cousins, so the Pons is a part of the promotion this week as well, where you buy 3, get a $5 gift card, okay? So we also have a 10% off cartwheel that we can pair along if you use the Pons products, and you can use these insert coupons right here. It is $1.50 off of any one. Now, I'm just showing y'all this because I'm actually don't use this product, so I'm just showing y'all just in case y'all want to come into Target and pick this up, or if you know somebody who likes this product, you can pair it along with it. Then we're gonna also come down here, y'all, and we're gonna look at the St. Ives. Moving my basket out the way. The St. Ives is also on the promotion as well, and we have insert coupons. Let me get them, that go along with the deal, and the coupons do include the face care products, $1 off of one, and the cheapest ones I see is $3.49. So that's still a good deal. Get the ones that's priced at $3.49. Use your dollar off coupons, and if you have a current Target gift card, you can apply that current Target gift card towards the purchase. But the St. Ives, y'all, I'm not picking up the St. Ives. I'm just telling y'all about it because I don't personally use the St. Ives. Okay. All right, y'all, we're gonna pick up some of the lotion. We're gonna get the ones priced at $4.59, and I just want to hold this up close so y'all can see the ounce on there, because we do have a insert coupon that is available. It's a $2 off one, and it does qualify for that size. So we're gonna pick us up 3 of those, and we're going to use 3 of the $2 off 1 coupons with that, and we'll get back a $5 gift card along with that as well. And I'm going to show y'all about the Vaseline really quick. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get some Vaseline. So the Vaseline is priced anywhere from $3.59 and up, and it's a part of the same promo that we do have. Even some of the smaller ones like the hand lotions and stuff like that, those are included as well when I scanned it on the Target app, so you can include those. And we have a coupon. It's the insert coupon. It's this one right here. It's $2 off of 1 that we can pair along with that deal. All right, so this is for my little cousins, y'all. We got some Huggy wipes, and we have a digital coupon for it on the Target app. You can actually pick these up right here. These are the ones that scan and that the coupon attaches to. They're $7.99, and you get 3 packs of wipes off in here, and you can use that $2 off 1 digital coupons if you need to come in Target this week and pick up some baby wipes. And then of course, if you have a gift card, you can just roll the gift card into the deal, which will make it free pretty much, because you take off, well, it'll make it like 99 cents. I take that back, not free, about 99 cents, because you know you have to include tax and all that good stuff. So let's say $1 for a pack of $7.99 wipes. And of course, we have diapers this week at Target. So the promo is this: spend $100 and you get a $20 gift card on diapers, the Pampers, pull-ups, all that stuff. So I'm just kind of showing y'all. Y'all know I'm not picking none of these up because I don't have no little cousins. But for my cousins who do, we do have insert coupons that are available for the Huggies, $2 off 1. They do expire. This coupon actually expires on the 8th, which is this coming Sunday. And also, if you already have your November P&G, you can use your coupons that are in the November P&G for the box Pampers and also the package Pampers. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna do the household deal this week at Target. Spend $40, get $10 back. So I will be picking up some of the Gain flings, priced at $11.99. Now I have an insert coupon that's available, $3 off of 1, that I am going to pair with mine. Okay, but if you don't have the insert coupon available, what you can do is use the digital coupon that is available. Of course, I'm using the insert coupon because it is giving me that extra $1. So y'all know every little dollar counts. And then we just gonna come on down here to our Tide Pods, and these are priced at $11.99, and I'm going to pick one of those up. Of course, I'll be using the insert coupon from November's P&G, $3 off of 1. In the event you don't have the insert coupon, you do have the option to use the digital coupon that's available, which is $2 off of 1. I'm over here to the tissue aisle, and you're gonna pick up some Angel Soft. Get your Angel Soft. It's priced at $5.29. We have a digital coupon that's available, which is 50 cents off of 1. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna come over here to the laundry aisle, and we're gonna pick us up some of the Downy. They are $9.99. Now we have a cartwheel that's available that gives us 5% off, and we also have this insert coupon that's available, which is $3 off 1 from the November's P&G that we're going to pair along with this one. Hey, coupon cousins, so y'all listen, we have made it over here to the breakdown corner. I'm real proud of Target this week. Of everything that I did. Okay, so we're going to start with the simple. We're going to start with these right here, the makeup stuff. So you go into Target, y'all, and you're going to get 3 of them. Get 3 of them, and these are the paper coupons that you're going to use right here. $2 off 1, and the promo is you get a $5 gift card back when you purchased 3 of them. So what I did was I rolled a gift card into the deal. I rolled a $5 gift card into the deal to bring down my out of pocket. And you can do the same as well if you have a current gift card that you can roll into the deal. So let's look at my receipt, y'all. So this is my receipt right here. As y'all can see, they were $4.59. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, don't forget to clip the 10% cartwheel, because the cartwheel will apply to all 3 of them that you get. So you can see my total right here was $6, but then I used a gift card, and then I paid $2.06 out of pocket for 3 of the wipes right here. Now you don't have to get the wipes, as I said in the video. You can always mix and match on any of the simple items, because of course, according to the coupon, guess what? It's off of any one. So next on the list, we're gonna go here, y'all. These little babies right here. Now y'all know this right here is like really expensive, but I did this deal. So I picked up 3 of the smaller ones, and I used this coupon right here. So this coupon, it does expire on the 7th, but it is $3 off any one. These are priced at $4.99 each in the store. I did the same thing. I'm looking for my receipt while I'm talking to y'all so I can show y'all. On my receipt with this one, I rolled a $5 gift card on this one here, and on this one, y'all, this total is so fly. Look, so I paid 57 cents, y'all, for 3 of them. 57 cents of 3 of them. So I know somebody in the comments gonna ask, what insert did this come out of? I don't remember. I don't know which insert this came out of. What the best thing I can tell you is go over to the site. It is coupontum.com. Type it in, and it's going to tell you the exact week that this insert came out. Now, if you prefer to get the bigger ones, let me say this, because somebody will ask, if you prefer to get the bigger ones, you can. Just know that your out-of-pocket is going to be more. I just chose to get the smaller ones so that my out-of-pocket can be less. So this is definitely a rinse and repeat deal, especially if you use this product right here, or if you want to give it away. You can do whatever you want to do with it, all right? And next on the list, we're going to talk about these little babies right here. Let me get my, okay, and the coupon that I use. So this deal here, go in Target. It's a gift card promotion as well. Pick up 3 of them, okay? And this is the insert coupon that you guys are going to use. And as you can see, it does include the 1.75 ounce or larger, which is this one right here, so that you guys can see. These right here are priced at $4.59. I did use 3 of those coupons. Let me find my receipt over here really quick. Okay, here it is, y'all. So this is my receipt, as y'all can see. And also don't forget to use the 20% off cartwheel. Well, it's called Target Circle, y'all. I'm so used to saying cartwheel. Target Circle, because I don't want y'all be like, I don't see it. So use the 20% off Target Circle on this one. This deal here, I used a $5 gift card, rolled it into the deal. As y'all can see right there, that's what that $5 gift card payment is. And I paid $1.02 out of pocket for 3 of these. So you cannot beat that. And guess what? We ain't gonna be ashy. We are not gonna be ashy. Y'all know it's winter time. Fall time, honey. We got to be extra lubricated. No, I'm just playing, y'all. Okay, let me move these out the way so we can get to the Vaseline. So I don't know if y'all have ever tried this one. If y'all have tried this one, let me know. I got that because I ain't never tried it before. So with the Vaseline is on promo as well. Y'all see I got a bunch of lotion, honey. Should nobody be ashy. But you go off in there and get 3 of them. These are priced at $5.49 each. Now, y'all know we have the Unilever coupons that are available. These are $2 off of one. And also, we do have a Target Circle that you guys can go and clip. It gives you 5% off each one. I'm going to show y'all my receipt. I'm just trying to get it together over here. 5% off of each one. You will need to use 3 Vaseline coupons. So let's see. Here's my receipt. Everything came off as it should. And on this one, you guys, as you can see, I paid $1.13. And these are the bigger ounces of the Vaseline. And yes, on this one, y'all, I actually rolled a $10 gift card that I had off into this deal, because y'all can see my subtotal was $10.66. I gave a $10 gift card that I had, and that's why I paid $1.13 for this. Now there are some other items when you scan it on the Target app that are included with the Vaseline as well. The smaller bottles are not giving back a gift card. So I did get a $5 gift card back on this deal as well, but the smaller bottle of Vaselines are not giving back a gift card. So just so that y'all know, because somebody gonna be like, why you didn't get the small bottles? Because it's not giving back the gift card. That was the whole thing about the deal. Now the wipes, y'all, my baby was like, Mom, you need to get them wipes because I got a baby shower coming up. So this is a baby shower gift. It'll go with my little bundle I'm gonna do for my baby shower. So as I said, the wipes, these are $7.99. There is a digital coupon. This is a digital coupon that's on the Target app, $2 off of one. Now for me, I rolled a $5 gift card. So here's my receipt for my Huggies, y'all. So for me, I just rolled a $5 gift card and I paid $1.48 for mine. So if you have a $5 gift card or need some baby wipes or whatever, you can do the same and pay $1.48. No, you don't get no gift card back or nothing for that. I just did the deal because I was in Target and my baby said I needed it for the baby shower. Okay. Next on the list. Okay. We're going to talk about this household deal right here. So I saved this one for last on purpose. So let me tell y'all what I did wrong first. Number one, the tissue is not included in the gift card promo. I thought that it was because it's a household item, but the tissue is not included in the gift card promo. But somebody say, thank God when your managers know who you are. So this is what happened for me. Everything else is included. The Gain, the Tide, the Drift, and also the candles as well. So what I did with the Drift, y'all, we have a cartwheel that's available 10% off. And we use this $3 off one coupon for that. And with the Gain, I use this $3 off one. And then of course with the Tide, I use this $3 off one. With the Angel Soft, there's a digital coupon that's available, 50 cents off of one. And with the Glade, y'all, I use that good famous BOGO coupon that we have available, buy one, get one. I kind of already knew that Target was just gonna lower the price because that's normally what Target do. So it's just a regular BOGO the way it works at Target, okay? So I did use gift cards on this deal. I actually rolled $10 in gift cards on this deal. I'm sorry, $20 in gift card on this deal to be able to lower my out of pocket on this one. So this is my complete transaction. So here is my receipt. So y'all can see that I did get everything. My total did come up to $40 and all of that. And so my out of pocket on this one was $13.28. Those are the two gift cards that I used. Now, because at the time when I was in the store, I thought that the Angel Soft was a part of it. I didn't realize it until after the fact. My manager had already given me a $10 gift card to go a part of the deal. So I got a gift card anyway, because the deal is you spend $40, get a $10 gift card. So just so that y'all won't make the same mistake that I did, the Angel Soft is not included. Pick up another item, whether it's some candles, some Drift, Tide, or whatever. The Angel Soft is not included. I thought that it was. So y'all, that's all I got for y'all today. That's it. That's everything. But coupon, because I want to tell you guys, thank you as always for liking, watching, sharing, subscribing, honey. And I want to tell you guys, because I know some of y'all did inbox me on Facebook and Instagram, that you did order your t-shirts off the website. I appreciate you guys so much. Some of the orders have already went out. And then we're going to send another batch of orders out this week. But I want to tell y'all, thank y'all for ordering y'all shirts off of the website. But until next time, coupon cousins, holla back, y'all.